everybody! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to be making a DIY sun catcher. It will look like this. Okay. So the first step is to get a lid. I'm using a yogurt lid. Okay. So the first step is to add some glue. Now you'll need to use clear glue or else it would turn out, well, foggy. So, okay. After that, you will need glass stones like this. You could get them from the dollar store, or you could get them from any craft store around you. And now you're going to put it along the edge. Okay, now you're going to move on to the next layer. If it does not fit, just move it like this. Okay, and now the last part, the inside. Okay, after that you're going to set it after that you're going to get the glue again. And now, you see all these little holes? Well, if we leave it like this, it will just fall apart after we dry it. So, just gonna put glue inside these holes. Okay, after that, you're going to set it aside so that it dries for 2 to 3 days. A few tips. So after a day, you're going to flip the entire thing over, not the lid, but the inside. It will probably stick together if you did it correctly. Then, for the next 2 days, it's going to be flipped over like this, and you're going to let it dry. So, if you want to see if it's dried yet or not, just put your finger on it, tap around to see if it's still sticky. If it's not, great. If it is, you need to wait for a few more hours or days. So, I have a finished version like this. Now, you would want to get string. Now you're going to have to find a hole. If you can't find a hole, then you could just use scissors or a toothpick or something like that to poke a hole into it. Like this. Now, you are going to tie it Okay. And the finished product will look like this. After this, you could hang it up in the window at the windows, and it will look stunning. It will look beautiful. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I can't wait to see you next time. Bye!